Hello students, we have started to solve the IB Math AHL November 2023 paper 2 and today we will be solving the question number 2 of this paper. This is actually a common question common for both the SL and the HL level students. For the SL students it is question number 3 and for the HL students it is question number 2. And for the HL students, you will be getting the links to all the previously solved questions of the other papers and of course the first question of this paper in form a playlist in my channel NS Online Math Tutoring classes. And you will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be grouped based on their topics. You will be having a playlist related to all vectors question, another playlist related to all complex numbers question and so on. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math HL level tutor. In case you want to join my classes, please contact me for more details. My phone number and my website link are given below at the bottom of the page. So without any further delay, let us start to solve this question. The maximum mark is 5. Consider the function f of x equal to e to the power of x minus 3x minus 4. Subpart A's question is on the following axis, sketch the graph of f for x greater than or equal to negative 4 but is less than or equal to positive 3. You see the graph, the x-axis is between negative 4 and positive 3. Okay, and it is containing 3 marks. It is a paper 2 question, so we can use the calculator. I am using the TI Inspire 62 calculator. I go to the graphs and it is e to the power of x. It is x and minus 3x minus 4 and enter. Okay, so this is the graph, fine. And I have to get when x equal to negative 4 because I have to draw the graph from x equal to negative 4 to x equal to positive 3. So I use the graph trace and graph trace. Okay, first of all, I have got the y-intercept given. So let me just write the y-intercept. There will be one of the points as 0 and negative 3. So let me plot this point. 0 and negative 3. This will be one of the points. Next, let me take the endpoint. So I am just writing negative 4 and enter. I get this. Negative 4 is the x value and the corresponding y value is 8.01832. So I will be taking it as roughly 8. Roughly 8. So it is negative 4 and this is 8. Okay. Most probably it is over here. I'm just writing this as negative 4 comma 8.01 most probably. Up to 3 significant figures, it is 8.02. Okay. It is roughly over here. And another endpoint is positive 3. Fine. So it is 3 comma 7.09 means 7.1. Fine. So 3 and 7.1. 3 and this 3 and this is 7. Okay. Maybe somewhere over here. 3 and 7 point, again once more, 7.09. Fine, and I need the minimum point as well. So I need the minimum. Analyze, it is the minimum. It is 1.09861. That means roughly 1.1, 1.1 and negative 4.3. 1.1 and negative 4.3. 1.1 and negative 4.3. Maybe somewhere over here. Okay. Negative, sorry, 1.1 1.0, 1.1 I'm taking, 1.10. I am showing how to get the points. That's why, otherwise I'll be connecting the points. For that, I'll not be taking your time. But I'm just, first of all, showing you how to plot the points, how to get the points rather. So, and the other one is negative 4.30. I have forgotten two more important coordinates, the zeros. I have to get the zeros. So negative 1.24 is one of the points. Negative 1.237 I can take. Negative 1.237. Okay, I can take this one. So negative 1.237 means 24, comma 0. This is the point. And the other point is the 2.42. Okay, 2.42. Maybe somewhere over here. 2.42, comma 0. So this is the graph. This is the answer for the subpart A. We have sketched the graph and coming to the subpart B. It is the function g is defined by g of x equal to e to the power of 2x minus 6x minus 7. The subpart B's question is the graph of g is obtained from the graph of f. The f of x function is this, expression is that, by a horizontal stretch with stretch factor k followed by a vertical translation of c units. Find the value of k and the value of c. It is containing 2 marks. Okay, so we know for a horizontal stretch what happens. F of x, this is the horizontal stretch. F of gets transformed to f of bx, where the stretch factor will be, since the stretch factor is given as k, I am saying that the stretch factor k is equal to 1 over b. Okay, so this is what happens in a horizontal stretch. And how do we get the expression, the transformed expression? Wherever we will be having x in the expression of f of x, we will be substituting bx. Wherever we have x in the expression of f of x, we will be changing it to bx. So f of x is e to the power of x minus 3x minus 4. Therefore, f of bx is equal to e to the power of bx. F of x is e to the power of x. So f of bx is e to the power of bx minus 3x. So it will be minus 3bx. And minus 4, it is not having any x, so it stays unchanged. So this is the expression for f of bx. And then there is the vertical translation of c units. So for vertical translation, what happens? F of x gets transformed to f of x plus c, because the translation factor is c units, so it is plus c. Okay, so currently our expression is this. So now after the vertical translation is taking place, what is happening is f of bx is getting changed to f of bx plus c. Okay, and what is f of bx? It is e to the power of bx minus 3bx minus 4 plus c. Okay, and this should be equal to g of x. Therefore, you see this is, and g of x is equal to what? And this is equal to e to the power of 2x minus 6x minus 7. Okay, so you see e to the power of bx and this is e to the power of 2x. Therefore, b has a value of 2. and C is having a value of what? See, if you put B as 2, 3 times 2 is 6. So you are having 6x. Okay. So the B value is indeed equal to 2. And what is the C value? Negative 4 plus C should be equal to negative 7. So C is equal to negative 7 plus 4 should be equal to negative 3. Okay. And we do not need the B value, rather we need the K value. Therefore, K is equal to, I have written K is equal to 1 over B. Right. So K is equal to 1 over 2 because B is equal to 2 and C is equal to negative 3. Okay. So we have solved this question completely. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like this video in case you like my explanation, and please do share this video with your friends so that even they can get benefited by watching my video. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be motivating me as well as it will be telling the YouTube that my video is worth watching. So the YouTube will be sharing my video to more number of students. And again, we meet very soon in our next session. We'll be solving the very next question of the same paper. So till then, bye.